this is Randy Davis at Frame My TV, and today I'm going to do a quick video on how to ensure that your Samsung Smart Remote works with your Deco frame on the Frame TV. The Samsung Smart Remote is designed to work flawlessly with the Deco frame. However, on a rare occasion you may find that once you put the frame on, your remote is not quite as responsive as it used to be, and we're going to help you solve that. The Samsung Smart Remote can work in two different modes, a Bluetooth mode, which it's basically designed to work in, and then a failover mode, which is IR. And the differences between them are that IR needs a line of sight to a sensor on the TV, whereas Bluetooth does not. And we're going to show you really quickly and easily how to pair the remote in Bluetooth so it works flawlessly with the frame. In order to tell what mode the remote is in, simply look at the light on the top of the remote as you press a button. If the light is flickering red as you press a button, it's in IR mode and needs to be repaired. So to pair the remote in Bluetooth, we do need to send one IR command to tell the TV to start the pairing process. So in order to do that, we need to lift the bottom of the frame so that the remote can see the sensor on the bottom of the TV. The command is really simple. You simply push the return and the play and pause buttons simultaneously on the remote. So once it starts the pairing process, it'll show you it does it. And then once it says pairing complete, your remote is now in Bluetooth mode. So now you can put the frame back on the TV and it will work without any problems with the frame on the TV. So I hope you found this helpful, but if you do have any other questions, please contact our customer service team. We're always here to help. Thanks for watching.